Bell, so jail time for Ellison, despite her really helping this investigation move forward and testifying against her former boss and former boyfriend, Sam Bankman-Fried.
Yeah, that's right, Sherry. I mean, she was very much a star witness in this case, in that case that was billed against Sam Bankman-Fried, which we can get more on that corporation in just a moment. But the headline, as you say, yes, Carolyn Ellison is going to jail here for 2 years for her role in the collapse, a further 3 years of probation to follow that. She's someone, as you say, she was very close to Sam Bankman-Fried. Not only was Sam Bankman-Fried her former boss, as she was the head of the hedge fund Alameda Research that misused FTX funds, and Sam Bankman-Fried, as you said, was also Ellison's former boyfriend. The surrender date is about 6 weeks from now or thereafter, so November 7, and she's also been ordered to forfeit $11 billion. That's not to say she has $11 billion in her bank account, but it is the amount of the FTX fraud, and so she will need to give up some assets. This did happen at a court in New York where our Bloomberg colleagues were present. They say that Ellison barely reacted to this verdict being read out. She was just really looking down at the floor instead. Her mum and her sister were present, and we're told they were a little bit more emotional. They seemed to be wiping their eyes with tissues, but Ellison didn't appear to be as moved visually by this. She did, though, briefly speak with some of the victims of the FTX collapse and, again, apologise, saying that she thinks about it every single day.
Prosecutors did tell the judge that she deserved leniency.
Yeah, and it goes back to that level of cooperation that Sherry was just referencing there. But the U.S. District Judge in this, Lewis Kaplan, says he's never seen this level of work that was done, that level of cooperation. So Carolyn Ellison met with prosecutors something like 20 times as they built their case against Sam Bankman-Fried, giving what we understand was very full, very transparent, very thorough details, and even directing authorities to crimes that they didn't know about. In exchange for that level of assistance, yes, there was expected to be some level of trade-off. So Carolyn Ellison's legal team, for instance, pushed the case for no jail time to be served in prison, probation instead. Officials as well, they had recommended she serve 3 years of supervised release without incarceration. But the judge as well wanted to make a point in this to other people that there does need to be jail time as a deterrent.